Alright, the last thing we need to talk about with scatter plots is trend lines. And basically you saw this in the last video. A trend line talks about the correlation that you have in a given scatter plot. So we're hoping for either a positive or negative correlation, something that we can follow so that we can make a prediction. And that's basically what the trend line does for us. Once we get into chapter 5, I'm going to show us a more accurate way to make a prediction with a scatter plot. But for now, we're going to kind of use some estimation. We're going to put in our own trend line and make a prediction based off of that. But like I said, we'll get more accurate predictions in chapter 5. Okay, the scatter plot that's shown here has a relationship between the amount of money collected and the total number of rolls of wrapping paper sold as a school fundraiser. Based on this relationship, predict how much money will be collected when 175 rolls have been sold. Alright, so if we look at the bottom, or the domain, or your x values, whatever you want to think of this as, looks like it goes up by 25. So 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, and there's going to be 175. So what we want to do is kind of follow this all the way up. And we're going to see about where our trend would take us. So, and if you have a ruler, this is much easier. So I apologize ahead of time for not drawing the straightest line, but you want to draw a line that appears to go through most of your points. So something like this anyway, and as you can see, I'm not doing the best. But we are in the area of about $1,200 if we kind of go over. So, excuse me, a accurate prediction or a good prediction could be this right here. I don't like when we have to draw in our own trend lines all the time, especially if you don't have a ruler available, but like I said, I'm going to show us how to make more accurate predictions based off of scatter plots in chapter 5. We just have to learn a couple other things first. So that's what a trend line is, and that's what it can help you do, is make predictions. That's all I got for you.